Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Sean. So today I'm going to take you through the H+H show a little bit differently. I did some interviews, I got some demonstrations for you, so stay tuned. This travel vlog will take you through what I saw and who I got to talk to. Now, one of the other things is the next vlog will just be the quilts and all the things that I got to see. And granted, I didn't see everything. So stay tuned, look out for the next one, and I hope you enjoy it. Please put a comment below, hit the thumbs up, like. My name is Sean, Go Savvy Designs, and this is a part of the travel for H+H. Talk to you later. Bye.
Let's ride! H+H Americas, legendary vibes. Creativity overload, so much heat in the building. Designers, quilters, makers, bosses. Let's go! Touchdown fresh with the crafty crew. H+H Americas, whole dream came true. Vendors lined up, inspiration on blast. Every booth I hit made me spend cash fast. Renee from Craft Tool in the building, so fly. Boss moves, only creativity high. Favorite designers everywhere I turn. Whole convention center, let the passion burn. Met M's cookie.
Steam generator one.
Okay.
You could bypass the auto shut off. So the other one was still good because even if it turned off and you went to use it, it would heat up in less than 30 seconds, so it was quick.
Right.
But this one you can actually bypass the auto shut off, so it's always hot and ready when you use it. So
okay.
You can be, working on doing some cutting or whatever, come back after 20, 30 minutes, and your iron's hot and ready to use.
Okay.
That's the main reason quilters love our irons. They're also, especially those ones, they guaranteed never to leak or spill.
Okay. And what's the capacity of water?
1.5 liters.
Okay.
Which is, I don't know what that is.
And this beautiful table?
This is a vacuum table.
Ooh.
Plug in, yeah. Okay. So first of all, feel it. It's heated. So the idea is to always remove moisture as much as possible.
Yep.
If I press down, I think it's set on vacuum right now.
Okay.
So it'll vacuum. It's hard to, you can feel it a little bit, but you can kind of see it in the cover.
But it pulls your, hold on, let me get a piece of paper.
Yeah, a piece of paper will show it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
So
that's pretty cool.
The idea behind that is it sets your press. It also pulls the steam through the fabric, which allows
okay.
And then also, if you're doing anything delicate, it's got up there. So I can switch this to up and press the pedal, and that blows up. So if you're ironing something with a nap, you don't want to crush it.
Yeah.
You can actually iron in midair.
Okay. Okay.
So that's our vacuum table. We also have the one over there is our 350 LB. That's our longboard.
Okay.
Designed specifically for quilters.
Okay.
It's got the extra surface area.
Okay. Okay, I like it. I like both
a lot
of
of
them.
stuff for quilters specifically. So.
Yes, this here is amazing.
Yeah. Retail on that.
Got it.
Okay, so in the booklet, what we show you is you can see. So these are the corner blocks. So there's 4 each of the corners, and then there's 4 each of the sides, and then 1 center block. So if I skip that page, there we go. And then the center. So you can mix and match any of the 20 sides, corners, or centers. So this is 2 different blocks that are mixed together. So you could do it this way, right? Or you could flip it and do it that way.
Okay.
You could also flip this. And each time you move it,
makes a different block.
you get a completely different look. So then, okay, so you've done this, you take your picture, and each little one is numbered. So then you go back to your booklet, and you can see the cutting instructions.
Nice.
And the size for each block you want to make.
Nice.
So that way, you can make the blocks. But for me, what I think is so great about it is you're not designing on a computer, you're not following someone else's pattern. you're unplugging and you're playing with shapes. And so you get to play and just have that downtime. And then when you have a shape you like, you take a picture of the block, and then you've got a little block library for the next time you're going to make a quilt.
I absolutely love that idea.
Yeah.
So my audience would love that.
Me higher, fabric so fresh, notion so fly. Wireless it charm, but I still bought supplies. From machines, embroidery dreams to that laser light. H+H had your girl feeling just right. Hands up if you love this soul. Needles up, let the whole world know. Go savvy in the building, creativity don't stop. Turning inspiration into hip hop. Hey, look what I found at H+H. Creativity dripping when I walk through the door. Okay, digital. Okay, thread squad vibe and machines on glow. Yarn and quilt queen, sewist, yeah, we run the show. Patterns in my bag and ideas on fire. Every booth I hit just took me higher. Fabric so fresh, notion so fly. Wireless it charm, but I still bought supplies. From machines, embroidery dreams to that laser light. H+H had your girl feeling just right. Hands up if you love this soul. Needles up, let the whole world know. Go savvy in the building, creativity don't stop. Turning inspiration into hip hop. Hey, look what I found at H+H. Creativity dripping when I walk through the door. Okay, digital. Okay, thread squad vibe and machines on glow. Yarn and quilt queen, sewist, yeah, we run the show. Patterns in my bag and ideas on fire. Every booth I hit just took me higher. Fabric so fresh, notion so fly. Wireless it charm, but I still bought supplies. From machines, embroidery dreams to that laser light. H+H had your girl feeling just right. Hands up if you love this soul. Needles up, let the whole world know. Go savvy in the building, creativity don't stop. Turning inspiration into hip hop. Hey, look what I found at H+H. Creativity dripping when I walk through the door. Okay, digital. Okay, pack the bag. Thread squad, let's ride. H+H Americas, legendary vibes. Creativity overload, so much heat in the building. Designers, quilters, makers, bosses. Let's go. Touchdown fresh with the crafty crew. H+H Americas, whole dream came true. Vendors lined up, inspiration on blast. Every booth I hit made me spend cash fast. Renee from Craft Tool in the building, so fly. Boss moves, only creativity high. Favorite designers everywhere I turn. Whole convention center, let the passion burn. Met M's Cookie Washington, now that was
Now,
Hi, I'm Corey from Olive Gray Studios, and this is my new project made out of my fabric collection Sway. It's my third collection with Wyndham Fabrics. And so I love to do simple piecing and hand embroidery mixed together. And this project is hand embroidery with color tinting method with a basic box of 64 crayons. And we used some thangles to make the 3-inch monkey wrenches. And I think this my fabric that has the butterflies on it is just perfect to bring it all together. The quilt was quilted by Becky Silva of Ruby Blue Quilts.
okay, well, thank you so much for explaining that to us.
Thank you.
There you go.
So as a fabric designer, I recommend that people coming into the industry get as much education as you can. Learn all the tools, the design tools, the computer tools. They will really help you. As a quick story, I used to design for another fabric company. It was wonderful. I'm now with Riley Blake. With the first company, I had someone that helped me with all the graphic design, which was a great way for me to get started, but it limited the control I had over my designs. Now that I'm with Riley Blake, I have learned Illustrator and InDesign and computer software so that all of my fabrics I design 100% myself. I can control the scale, the color, the sizing. It's 100% truly me, and that's because of technology. So don't be afraid of it. Get education, take the time, invest in yourself, and you'll find success.
Well, guys, you heard it here first. Get education. Your name?
I'm Krista Watson with Krista Quilts.
All right. So, Krista Quilts. Thank you so much, Krista.
Thanks for coming by.
Bye.
And instead of building on opposite sides, I'm building on the wide angle on one side.
Irons for your
one across, bigger, smaller, this side, then stack across. Okay.
So here's a strip added to one side. Take a straight edge again, flip off that tip. Then you're going to add a purple or whatever color you're using.
Yeah, stack the other side.
Yes, now you're going to look for the seam lines on the ruler and line that up just like that. And trim these two long sides. Don't worry about this. Okay? Then you're going to add your second pink or second color too. Clean that raw edge up. Just even with this, there's no science about it. Quilting is supposed to be fun, so we try to give you things that are fun to do without sweating a lot and that are easy to follow and have kind of a wow finish at the end. So now I'm going to find the seam lines for this outer corner because I'm to the end of my diamond. And you trim up all four sides and you're done. And then if you want to pair them together, you could do a purple flower in the middle, you could do a pink flower in the middle, or maybe you flip it and do like this and you get this little blue accent every other one. Or if your group is more of a modern quilting type of thing, imagine doing pink and purple so that your diamond is doing this. And then if you do 8 of them in that wall hanging, you're going to get this spinning diamond look to it because you just changed the strips. This next one is my ultimate. Yellow in the middle, green on the ends, dark teal on the other end, and then you're just going to sew those together to make your star. Okay. And there he is. And if my 10 cents means anything, I pressed all the seams. I did it all different ways. I followed her directions, her pressing to one side or the other, and then I pressed them all open. This was so much easier to make these
H+H Americas, legendary vibe. Creativity overload, so much heat in the building. Designers, quilters, makers, bosses. Let's go!
But that would be my preferred way to do it. I would never make you do it.
Touchdown fresh with the crafty crew. H+H Americas, whole dream came true.
Find your lines on the ruler and line up on the seam lines. Trim those two sides. It sounds so much simpler now than it did when I first started working with this ruler with her.
You're so beautiful. Thank you. Ready, Daddy? Are y'all watching Sunday Fun Day or what?
Right. Come on. Sunday Fun Day. Every Sunday, 6 p.m. Central.
You too.
Yeah! Pack a bag. Thread squad, let's ride. H+H Americas, legendary vibe. Creativity overload, so much heat in the building. Designers, quilters, makers,